If you want to manage notifications for apps on OPPO Find X9, first of all we can open Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then choose Notifications and Quick Settings. After that, if you scroll down in here, you should be able to find app notifications, and this list is sorted by apps that recently sent you notifications, and you can also see when they did. And of course, we can go into any of these apps in order to completely disable or enable notifications. You can also choose to receive these notifications as silent notifications. You can also choose to see them on the lock screen, on the banner, and also as app icon badges. We can also hide the details of the notification on the lock screen, and of course we can also find categories. So sometimes apps of course have a very different notifications that they can send, and in some cases you can actually choose which type of notifications you should be able to receive. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.